This video is for all commands in Mearth S. So turn on the scooter, press both keys, and then it will open the system. So there's P0, P1, P2, P3 and P4. So if you want to change the miles, the speed miles to kilometers, then press P0 from power button. So 0 for kilometers and 1 for miles. So we will let it be on, like you can see it change from mile per hour to kilometer per hour. Okay, for selection just press the power key. Okay, and if you press the function button, it will go to P1. So P1 is for cruise control. Like if you are riding the scooter, after some time it will start beeping. So if you release the throttle, the scooter will not stop, it will go as it is. So if in order to stop the beeping and stop the cruise control, you need to select P1, press function button. Need to go back on P1. So P1, press power button to select. Right now it is on 1, that's when it is on cruise control. We will press this one, the function button, and it is on 0, that's mean it will not be, it is not on cruise control now. So you can just ride it with this one and it will not beep to monitor the cruise. So select with power button. Now P1. P2 is for auto start. The scooter will not require the initial push, so we will select this one. P2, select P2. So 1 for you need minimum speed, minimum push to start the scooter. If you change it to 0, it will not require any speed. So we will let it back on the previous setting. And for P3 is not required, it is different, so do not meddle with P3. So for P4 is speed. So right now it is on 25 to 32, so you can limit to 20, 25, and whatever you want to select, just press the power button, and after that just press both buttons again and it will be back.